Well, it's the end of the road for this grasshopper. Wesley says he's delicious.
It's grasshoppers bite?
This one doesn't bite. If he did, he might be in better shape right now.
Oh, gross.
That's gross if you're a grasshopper.
Yeah. I ate grasshopper, Dada. I ate grasshopper, Dada. Be trying to watch me. Is grasshoppers mean?
No, he's not mean. Wesley did this for no good reason.
Whoa!
Not like he had it coming.
He a tired grasshopper.
He's tired?
He a tired grasshopper.
Oh, he's still got a little jump in him.